I'm Terry Wooster, Chief Operating Officer for Round Rock ISD, and we are on the site of the new C.D. Fulkes Middle School. C.D. Fulkes is the oldest campus in the district, and as you can see behind me, construction is in progress on the new facility. This $49.5 million project was made possible by the 2018 bond, and the project is going to be completed in 3 phases. The first in 2022, the second in 2023, and the third in 2023. The facility is currently being built on the original football field and will include stages of construction as we move forward to accommodate students and staff on campus while we start school next year. The highlight of the new middle school here at C.D. Fulkes will be the 3 stories and a beautiful upper level 3rd-story library that overlooks the Brushy Creek, giving students a great view of the nature down below and along the creek itself. The building will also feature 2 gymnasiums, a full-size competition gymnasium for athletes and parents alike to enjoy C.D. Fulkes junior high sports, as well as an auxiliary gym that will be used for practices and other events. Site improvements will include a new 400-meter track surrounding an artificial turf field. Lastly, it's important to note that the work of this project is focused on saving historic features of the old C.D. Fulkes Middle School and old Round Rock High School. And with that preservation and subsequent renovations, there will be improvements to the auditoriums and use of existing materials in the new building. We are excited for this campus, and we really want to be able to showcase this campus by preservation and saving the culture of Round Rock ISD. And so there will be future updates on this project as we progress, and we want to thank you for your support in the 2018 bond and your support of Round Rock ISD. Thank you.